So Realme GT6. In this video we're going to talk about this mobile's price, display, battery and processor, and also cameras, and also the multimedia and everything in this video. So let's starting with the price tag. This mobile, by the way, first of all, this mobile is releasing on June 20th of 2024. I mean this month 20th at 1:30 p.m. So this mobile start with this price. This mobile will comes with a price tag of 30,999, almost 31,000 rupees for the base variant. When we talk about the display, it comes with a typical 6.78 inches of 120 Hz refresh rate LTPO AMOLED display. The highlight thing about this display is this display's brightness can go up to 6,000 nits. Yes, so this might be the brightest display in the mobiles. When we talk about the processor, this mobile comes with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8s Gen 3, which is a 4nm based 5G octa-core processor. This mobile comes with a lot of 5G bands also. Now this mobile comes with the LPDDR5X RAM type and UFS 4.0 storage capacities. And this mobile will be available in different storage variants it comes with the 8GB RAM 256GB internal storage and 12GB RAM 256, 12GB RAM 512GB, and this mobile also available with 1TB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage variant. When we talk about this mobile's cameras, it comes with a typical two cameras at the back side, 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with the optical image stabilization, as well as a 8 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, and it comes with a 32 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. And when we talk about this mobile's battery, this mobile comes with a bigger battery, that is a 5500 milliamp hours of battery. That's not it. It supports 120 watts of fast charge through wire. Yes, which can charge your mobile from 0 to 50% in just 10 minutes. According to the news until now, it can charge like that. And this mobile will comes with a lot of features, like it comes with the stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack like all the mobiles. And when we talk about this mobile's operating system, it comes with the Android version 14 out of the box with the Realme UI 5.0. And this mobile comes with the latest features like Wi-Fi 6 dual band Wi-Fi support and Bluetooth 5.4 and NFC and everything. By the way, this mobile comes with all the sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor and compass and everything. And when we talk about this mobile's colors, this mobile will be available in three colors: green, purple and silver. These are the three colors this mobile is going to available. And oh, by the way, if you're watching the video until now, subscribing to the channel and hitting the like button will give me a lot of boost to make more videos like this. And when we talk about the build quality, this is a polycarbonate back mobile and a front glass mobile. This mobile also has the feature of has the capability of IP65 water and dust resistance, so it can survive in splashes and dust up to some extent. When we talk about the box contents, this mobile comes with a the mobile itself and the charger and cable and simulation tool and some quick start guides and something, and a TPU case included in the box of this mobile. So wait until 20th of this month and purchase the mobile, and do let me know in the comment section down below which kind of videos do you want to see from my channel in the next. So that's it for the video, and subscribe to the channel.